Hi everyone, I'm hoping that you all are fine and your studies are going well. So guys, there is a good news and you can see that good initiative from Institute for upcoming October examination for student. Institute is providing the revision videos of all subject of CMA Inter and CMA Final. Okay, the classes are going to start from 3rd of September 7 a.m. Okay, and it will be taken online. Institute per subject 30 hour institute will provide. Okay, 7 a.m. 3rd September. Okay, and institute will cover, you can say that the practice of mock test paper, and the faculty will be the expert faculty of their respective subject. Okay, so good initiative, you can say that from institute side. For those students who want some kind of revision videos, those are stuck and those are facing some problem. Okay, so good initiative again. Thanks a lot to institute was providing revision videos to all CMA Inter and CMA final student. 30 hour per subject. Okay, the classes are going to start from 3rd September. Whatever they have, they will cover. You can free of these classes are free of cost. Okay, how to register for these classes? Okay, in Telegram channel I will share, you can see the details or the form. You have to fill the form, or institute will, you can say that the class are going to start from 3rd September. So you have to, you can say that fill the form. Institute will, you can say that what's invite you for the respective WhatsApp, and then you will get the respective classes detail in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so yes, I will share in the Telegram channel. You can join the Telegram channel from the link. You can directly join, or from pathway to CMA you can search. Okay, so now those students who want to interest in, you can say that revision video, so you can join if you want. Okay, otherwise my suggestion to you, if you want, you can continue your if you are fully satisfied with your own self study or on your coaching, so my suggestion to you should continue. But those students who are you can say that waiting for some kind of revision video, so this will be, you can say that boon or benefit for those students. Okay, from Telegram channel you just need to fill the form. Institute will, you can say that, invite you for the respective group, and all the detail of the classes will cover. This is a free of cost. Mock paper pattern, each and everything institute will cover. You can say 30 hour per subject. Okay, so hope you find something good in this video. So please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. Okay, and if you have any question, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. Okay, and whenever I'll receive the information or notification related with the upcoming October 2021 examination, surely I will update you. Okay, and I will say once again to best of luck for CMA foundation student who was appearing in 5th September 2021 for their exams. Okay, and tomorrow I will try to tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will upload the 1-day strategy for foundation student. Still any candidate has doubt in the comment section or need any clarification, you can ask me in the comment section. Surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.